Hey traders, Mark here, PPT Trading Systems. Today is Thursday. Happy Thursday, traders. Hey, just wanted to do a quick update for the week. As you know, I've been getting involved in some forex stuff, and this week's been pretty busy with it overall. The video that I posted the other day showed you guys the account statement, and I had one open position. It was a trade that, honestly, I think it was, well, actually I don't even remember which pair it was. I hate to say this, but I haven't done a great job tracking these yet. But let me go look at my recents list. Oh, it was a pound Canadian. It had a 140 pip target, and it was hit actually that next day after I put the video up. So all in all, guys, this week I've had 4 targets hit. No losers this week, which is not typical. But for a system that's going for a 2.5 R and risking a 1 R, that's killer, right? I mean, I could lose my next 8 trades and be fine. So anyway, that's looking pretty good. Up about 10% in 3 weeks, just shy of 10%. So I want to show a couple positions that I have on. Gang, this is the first non-farm payroll event that I've paid attention to with forex. I know that the equity market can get pretty crazy during non-farm payroll. That number is released tomorrow at 7:30. So I've lightened up some positions. I actually have 2 positions on currently. I have a position in on the pound Aussie at 65.49. It has a bit larger stop than I want, so I only did too many lots here. My stop is 64.95. Now, the pound can really move, so it could tick down there in no time. But I'm going to go ahead and hold it through non-farm. I hope I don't get a bunch of slippage. That's actually what I want to see. Is if there's a bunch of slippage I could get during non-farm. So I have lightened up my position. And then the other thing that I have on here is the USD Canadian. And that one I'm in at 25.63 with a stop at 28. And then let's see, targets. I'm sure you guys are wondering targets. I realized I did not even talk about the target. So let's take a look at the targets on, let's start with the USD Canadian. I actually haven't put my target in yet on the pound Aussie. So let's start here. I know I've got my target in on this one. Target is up here at 26.50. All right, so my stop is, what did I say, like 28, 26, somewhere around there, right? Now let's go take a look at the pound Aussie. And let's go ahead and put the target in, because I actually don't have it in right now. So on this trade, my entry was $49. My stop is 95. So I'm risking, what is that? 54 pips. So I'm just going to take that and multiply it by 2.5. It's 135. So I'm looking for a 135 pip target. So I need to add 135 to 65.49. So we're going to be at 66.84. So let me move this down. Right there. Okay, so there we go. Target in. All right, gang. Takes care of the forex. Now I want to talk a little bit about the 5-minute strategy that I've been playing around with quite a bit. I've got it refined for the most part. Basically what I'm doing, gang, is I'm looking at the 60-minute chart, and I'm just looking for areas where I can clearly see where buyers have stepped in. Okay. So for example, yesterday on the NASDAQ, I had a couple of levels. I had a level here, and I actually had a trade set up here, and I got ran over. So I lost a trade on this move. It blew through that level, blew through this one. However, it found some support right down here, one tick away. The ES, basically an identical chart, right? Identical. Okay, so today I have the ES hitting some resistance, which is right here. The YM set up short, so I'm actually in a short trade on the YM here. Now, I immediately had this thing go in my favor, 20 points. But my target is all the way down here, almost 50 points, okay? I don't manage these trades. I'm either going to hit my target or hit my stop. I just truly accept the risk when I take the trade. It allows me to really, it just takes a lot of the emotions out of trading. Now, it may not be for everybody, right? But I've tested a lot of different systems, and I found that it's better just to accept your risk, look for larger targets, and wait for it to hit. Plus, what happens is, doing that, guys, it's good practice. It allows you to break a bunch of those bad habits of watching the tick, getting out of trades early, moving your stop too soon. So I would encourage you guys, if you're trading and just learning to trade, or maybe you've been trading for a while, switch it over to sim. Get rid of those emotions. Look for larger targets and force yourself to hold for the target. Okay, guys, that's it. As far as the PPT system trades this week, there hasn't been a lot. I got beat up a little bit. I showed you guys that. Between Friday and Monday, I did have a nice day yesterday, so I have recovered some. And I missed a trade today, which irritates me. Here, I'll show you the spreadsheet before we sign off here. Okay, here you go. So here was my Friday and Monday. Took a bit of a hit here. Then I got a little bit of a reprieve right in this area. So I'm down about $900 basically over the last 5 days. That's per contract. So not a big deal. We've had some nice profits in through here. And again, there is nothing different about this little move than anything I see back in my equity curve, right? That's key. And this is why you want to be tracking your trades and analyzing your data so that you don't get freaked out on these moves. All right, gang. Hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll catch you later.